Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Kanjiria. Day 30, how to become a good speaker. And that's why I change of my day by day. And day 13 in this I upload a English log. But I'm disciplined, I'm dedicated. And that's why I change a day by day. That is my inspire of myself. And I'm a discipline, right? And that's why in the last time I upload day 1 to day 30 to be continue, but one day I am not upload a video, and let's start off again. That's why, because my consistencies matter. That's in English vlog channel. First of all, I am not perfect, that is I accept for myself, but one day I am finally change for myself, and that's why I change of my perspective and society. That is the finally, and one day, only for one day, I am prepared for myself, only for 1%, and that's why improve myself. But today is a very interesting story of my life, and I make with my best friend as Dingo. So make a new home in a tent. That is the history create of my life. I start my new YouTube channel, Kakune Dingo. Right. That is my interesting and my affirmation. Day by day, I visualize and these types of lots of efforts in my daily routine. And one day I may choose and write my vision board. I am a creator new my family members in a YouTube channel, and that's it. Our today is the clear. That is the power of affirmation. Not any type of randomly work from the you are beginning for your happen. What happened for you? That's why you change of your new era in your only for one sacrifice, and that's why you are to awesome personality of your family. That is the reality of the lots of society. But you are not affordable life in your society. Why? Because society are only for rumors, only for talking. Do you know work? But that is the reality of society. You can change of your mindset and the reality. And why I am a start of my new YouTube channel, because that is my affirmation work. I'm not work of properly in a second one YouTube channel, but it is the work of my second one affirmation in a 2025 yearly. But lots of affirmation are to approval in my life, but that is the main affirmation is the true, 100% true my affirmation, right? That is the reality of affirmation, and lots of efforts in this only for one affirmation work, and I change my perspective, and I suggest for you, you are right now your affirmation, and after you are to work for your affirmation, and that is the one day you are achieve. That is the reality of mine. Thank you so much. I am very happy in your my life, because my affirmation is the clear done. Okay, and I am very happy last 13 day I am not properly upload a YouTube video in a English vlog something, but that is the I am a finally dedicate, and I am a finally bond for myself. I am a daily one video upload as a 1 minute 2 minute no matter, but upload. Okay, thank you so much, dear. You watch my 13 day as a to be continue vlog. It is the reality of the society. Okay, thank you so much, dear.